Today's recipe focuses on lowering the glycemic index, making it suitable for those whose blood sugar levels are bordering on diabetes, as well as for anyone who is mindful of their blood sugar, particularly those consuming white or overly polished rice. Barley is one of the grains with a lower glycemic index than white rice. In addition to having a lower GI, it is also high in dietary fiber, which is beneficial for digestion and overall health. Do you often feel tired? Are you wondering why your weight never seems to go down despite the Zumba and other exercises you've been doing? Perhaps it's time to try my recipes, and I believe the results will speak for themselves. In this recipe, I combine red rice and barley with a variety of vegetables. This dish can be enjoyed on its own or paired with other meals. Let's gather our ingredients and get started. First, we need a cup of barley. Rinse and soak the barley, then set it aside while we prepare the other ingredients. 1 small or half a red bell pepper, finely chopped. 1 cup of chopped tomatoes. A thumb-sized piece of ginger, grated with a fine grater. 2 cloves of garlic, grated. You can use the same fine grater. 1 medium red onion. 1 teaspoon of ground cumin. 1 can of black beans, not the fermented type. Rinse the black beans. 1 cup of frozen or canned corn kernels, or fresh if you can find some. 1 cup red rice, rinsed and soaked for at least 15 minutes. Let's begin the cooking process. Start by frying the grated ginger over low heat until it's aromatic, about 2 minutes. Next, add the grated garlic and fry it for another 2 minutes, or until fragrant. After that, incorporate the chopped red onion and continue frying for an additional 2 minutes. When the onions become translucent, add the chopped red bell pepper and cook until it becomes aromatic. Then, add the chopped tomatoes and stir the mixture until the tomatoes start to wilt. At this stage, mix in 1 or 2 tablespoons of tomato paste along with 1 teaspoon of cumin powder and a handful of chopped cilantro or coriander. Stir everything together until well mixed. Now it's time to add liquid. Pour in 4 cups of water or vegetable broth, or use shrimp broth if you prefer. Season with ground black pepper and salt to taste. Bring the mixture to a rolling boil and then add the barley and red rice. Cover the pan, reduce the heat to medium-low, and let it simmer for 20 minutes without lifting the lid. After 20 minutes, turn the heat to the lowest setting and add the corn kernels and black beans. Turn off the heat and cover the pan for at least 5 minutes to allow the flavors to meld. Serve immediately, garnished with cubed avocado or Mexican salsa if desired. Your Mexican-inspired barley and red rice dish is now ready to be enjoyed. You can substitute barley with quinoa if it's not available, or you can use pure red rice. I prefer to keep the spices simple, but feel free to add any of your favorite dried spices, such as bay leaf, smoked paprika, or oregano. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you will try this recipe for yourself and your loved ones. My goal is to promote healthy eating habits, not just vegan or vegetarian options, but overall healthy living. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye!